Welcome to Carbon's DIY Garage. Going to show some love to this 2000 Subaru 2.5 RS. The front emblem has a little wear and tear after 240,000 miles, so we are going to replace it with the new one. The new one, I'll leave the link in the video description, but it's just held in place with some automotive tape. It's got a little indexer at the bottom, so it fits into a little hole on the mount, and so it's pretty easy to get it straight. And all we're going to do is use a heat gun to heat it up. Pry it off, clean off the tape residue underneath. And then clean the surface with alcohol, just to get it all cleaned off. Push the new one in. And that is it. I have seen some videos where people struggle to get the old one off. Mine was barely held in place actually, so it came off really easily. Used some Goo Gone to clean off the tape residue, some alcohol to get that all cleaned up back there. Really easy to put on, and it's got this nice new makeover, looking pretty sharp. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, drop any comments if you have them, and subscribe to the channel too. There's lots of great content coming your way for the Subaru, for the other vehicles in the garage, and other stuff going around the house. So look forward to the next video and see you in there.